chest.
Victor, what happened? What did you do?
I ain't doing shit, bro. This nigga fucking put his hands on me.
Ooh!
Bro, that's what me. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to prank Jalen. Let's hope it works. I'm about to put makeup on my face that make it look like bruises, and I'm about to use this fake blood that my roommate had. So yesterday, me and my roommate was like, oh, we were saying like, oh, this nigga is mad at me. He's not speaking to me. Like, bro, he doing this, he doing that. And I'm like, yo, he dead ass be getting aggressive and shit. And Jaden is like, oh, I want to know what happened, what happened. So now this is the perfect opportunity for me to prank him. Okay? All right. Oh my God. And this purple just to like enhance it a little bit. So I'm gonna do the same thing for right here. Right. Let me see if I could create like a finger. Like my arm for like a grip, so like right here. So I don't know if you ever see this, but it's like handprint mark. So this is the, like when a nigga grab you up like that. Oh, this boy's about to hate me. Yeah, I'm just going in the blood. So this is like on my nose. So y'all can see, I'm gonna turn the camera on me so like y'all can see. So this is how it looks so far. And on my chest. I hope this looks realistic. Like, and there's like some on my back, but I don't think y'all can see my back. So I'm about to call him on FaceTime. I'm gonna hide my camera in the kitchen and I'm gonna turn all the lights on and let's see what happened, okay? So I'm about to go put my phone, because I don't feel like putting out my camera. So I'm gonna go put my phone behind like the stove, not the stove, behind the pots, and yeah.
I left my keys in my room.
Somewhere.
No.
Yeah, hello?
What room you had to get into?
I'm in 241.
In what building?
In Centennial.
Okay, I think somebody over there.
Alright. How the fuck did you do this? No, explain this. Explain this now. See, explain this now. Explain this now.
Do what?
The fake blood?
Are you
Fake blood?
stupid, bro?
What happened? Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? Victor, what happened? What did you do?
I ain't doing shit, bro. This nigga fucking put his hands on me.
Ooh!
Bro, that's what me and Cass was talking about yesterday.
Nah, hold on. Where's Cash?
She went to work. I was here by myself.
Ooh, beat you up.
The nigga I told us.
Where you at?
He left. I've been calling you. I called you twice.
Nah, bro. Sleep.
I called you twice.
Nah, wait till we at.
I called Tori too. She said she went to CVS.
Oh, nah.
Where the fuck I'm gonna get fake blood from?
Oh. Nah, bro. Yo, why this nigga spank Benta, bro? Some nigga, bro. She's some nigga she talked to, bro. Nigga spanked her, bro. She bleeding, bro. Bro, she's leaking, bro. This shit is OD, bro. Where the nigga at, bro? Bro, so you got me rushing this shit, bro. I forgot my key in my room, so I can't even get clothes. It's like brick outside. Fuck me out. We out. We out. Out. No, he out. Look, bro, what? This nigga just came out of nowhere and was just doing extra shit?
Bro, because he fucked somebody I know, bro, and it's not like, oh, like, I didn't, bro. How the fuck you gonna fuck somebody that is like a sister to me and then you act like you don't fucking know what's going on?
Bro, this nigga fucked already at men's. Nah, bro. I'm not jacking none of this shit, bro. Let me see.
I can't even call my dad because, like...
Nah, bro. This shit is beastie. This shit is beastie, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, this nigga is wild. Nah, bro. We out. We out. We out. Oh, you got your key?
Oh, yeah, my key. It's a prank.
I knew it was a prank, bro. I already know, bro. Yo, I knew it, bro. 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 She not even gonna answer, bro. She gonna come here on time.
Wait. Alright. Jalen didn't tell you?
I mean, he told me, but like, when I heard it, I wasn't really.
Bro, so you know how like yesterday we was in your crib, right? And me and Cass was talking about some nigga in jail. And I was like, oh my god, I wanna know, right? Alright, so this nigga, right, fucked like some girl like that I know, like we are not close. But you've been fucking with me for like almost a year.
Mm-hmm.
Like since we came back to St. Rose, like from like the fall till now, bro, this nigga was like the only person I was like really like rocking with. Yeah, like we all in shit, but like I didn't like I would never go fuck your bro. Like yeah. So like he did, and I like I pressed him about the situation or whatever. Mm-hmm. He was like, oh, like he explained it. So like he came over like last night, but like we didn't really talk. Niggas just like went to sleep. So like this morning we were talking about the situation. Cass like came and like she didn't like knock on my door because like my door was locked. So she went to work. So this morning we got up, like we were like talking about the situation, right? So I just pushed this nigga like this, bro. Bro, nigga put his fucking hands on me, bro. I've never bleed this much in my life, bro.
Do you got a girl to come fight? Cause like,
I'm fighting his mother, his sister.
You gotta get somebody to
everybody, bro. I don't care.
You got somebody who could fight out for you out here, cause
bro.
Nah, he's broken.
Like my nose is like I don't even know if my nose is like broken or not. Like,
does it hurt?
It don't hurt like that, but like I can't like press on it hard because like this shit
bruised this shit.
Like, bro.
Yo, you sure that's why you come fight? I can't. You see my outfit?
What?
You see my outfit? So we had to do a drill. Nah. Who is this nigga?
Bro, you don't know him. Like, I fucking called Jalen twice while the nigga was here.
He was sleeping.
He told me he was sleeping. That's why I called you. I hit you up. Cause like, bro, I really wish. And Imani's not here because she went out. Kaz went to work. I'm here by myself. Like, I can't fight a nigga by myself. Like,
yo,
bro, look at my fucking chest.
You should have told me. You should have told me. You should have called me. I would have asked, cause I was when you texted me, I literally just left. Like I was walking out.
Look at my chest.
He was grabbing you and shit.
Look at my chest, bro. Look at my arm.
Nah.
And now, like, bro, I don't even know if I should tell my parents because my dad was the last, like, come here in 2.2 seconds. Bro.
Somebody need to beat him up or somebody need to get back on his side because you got a girl, bro. Like, I don't know. So you didn't speak to him after that? No? Well, tell him we got a friend that want to fight, so he could bring his biggest sister.
I don't know who you bring in, bro. I gotta fight somebody in your family. Your mother, your sister, I don't care who it is. We just gotta shake, bro.
Yo, this nigga is, what's his U-Haul location? Alright. Yeah, I wish I could tell me. Where does he live at? Where does he live at?
If I stay. Fuck that man all day. I was about to get up and cook.
I should just not tell you. There you go. Second one.
You ready?
Yeah. Guys, the camera didn't get to catch the part where, like I told Tori, it was a prank. That shit was hilarious. Oh my god. But April Fool's was not canceled. And you know, bro, my niggas is here to ride forever. That's on period. Yo, nah, this was hilarious. But happy April Fool's, guys. And see you on the next video. Bye.